Hey loves, so let's create these 3D beautiful designs. So as usual, we'll apply our base coat. Okay, you apply your base coat, you cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to dive into the next step. Okay, so today we're going to be doing 3D with rhinestone glue. Okay, yeah, so cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll dive over to the next step. This is how it's looking after curing for 60 seconds. So step 2, we're going to be applying this shade of nude. Guys, this shade of nude is actually very beautiful. Like, camera is not doing justice to this beauty. In real life, it looks so beautiful. And to think that since I bought it, because I bought it with other products, I told you guys when I bought new products, I bought it together, and since then I've been ignoring it because I just felt it's not going to come out nice. So today I decided to just try it, and guys, in short, it's not going to last because this is my favorite, one of my favorites now for now. Okay, this shade is actually very beautiful. Okay, so yes, we're going to be applying it on the fingers that we're going to be applying it as the first finger, the third finger, and the pinky finger. Okay, yes, we'll do that, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll dive over to the next step. Guys, each time you're watching my video, Vanessa Chamaka, okay, or Vandys Beauty World, each time you're watching Vandys Beauty World video, be patient. Always try and watch the video from the beginning to the end because every step is very detailed. Okay, from the beginning to the end of my videos is very detailed. You will definitely get one or two things, or grab one or two things. Okay, so always watch my videos to the end. All right. Yes, so guys, you can see the way it's looking. I decided to double coat it. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So I'm double coating it. Okay, look at what it's giving. Very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. So do the remaining ones off camera and look at what it's giving after double coating it. Very beautiful. Okay, so the remaining two fingers, okay, we're going to be applying this shade of white, or should I call it, it's not really, it's kind of a chalk white. Okay, yes, and for this design we're not going to be double coating it. I actually just coated it once, or I applied it once, either way. Okay, we're going to do that for the remaining two hands, and then we'll dive over to the next step. Okay, so as usual, to avoid the video to be too lengthy, we did that off camera, and look at what it's giving. Beautiful, very beautiful. So now we're going to be drawing our French tips. Guys, I'll try to fasten this process because I've shown you guys how to draw French tips literally all my videos. Okay, I always show you guys how to draw French tips, so I believe by now that you should be tired of watching me doing French tips. Literally, you should be tired by now because I am actually tired. I'm actually tired because there's no designs that you cannot do this day without French tip being involved. Okay, so French tip is more like a very basic and essential thing that you need to learn as a nail tech. Okay, because almost all the designs comes with French tips. So guys, did the other hands off camera. Okay, and This is the finished look. Okay, very beautiful. So for our next step, I wanted to use this pigment design, this particular shade. Okay, but I ended up using my eyeshadow palette. Okay, so you can either use your pigments. I've shown you guys how to do ombre or aura design so many times. Okay, so you can always check our playlist to find your preferred videos. Okay, so today I decided to go with my eyeshadow palette instead of the pigment powder. So now I'm applying my matte coat. As you can see, I'm applying my matte top coat. Okay, the matte top coat always looks like as if you're applying normal top coat until you cure it, and look how it's looking after curing it. Okay, so now we're going to be using our brush to just dab in our preferred shade of color. I'm going for this yellow color. As you can see, guys, I'm sorry that the way it's viewing, I didn't know that the camera was not actually capturing this particular side. Okay, as soon as I found out, okay, I looked and then I adjusted my hand a little bit. Okay, yeah, so you dust off. Once you apply it to your satisfaction, you dust off. But I have to just apply a bit of this orange. Okay, just to pop it out a little bit. Okay, just small, you won't even notice. Yes, you won't even notice. So we did that, drop that, and we'll go back to the other finger. Apply to your satisfaction. Just keep dapping, sha, till you are satisfied. Okay, yes, as soon as you're done, you dust off, and then we're going to be using our orange so complete the process. As you can see, I'm taking from the one that is falling on my hand, because yeah, we don't waste products over here. So yes, we dab in a little bit of the orange, and then voila, finish. Guys, I try as much as possible to make my tutorial videos very easy and very simple for you guys to understand. Okay, but at the end of the day, it will definitely look beautiful, trust me. Tell me what you think. Tell me in the comment section. If you do watch my videos, tell me if you enjoy my video, if I try to make it as detailed as possible. Tell me. Okay, all these things encourage, all these things boost our encourage us to do more videos like this for you guys. Okay, yeah, so let's communicate in the comment section. So we are done with that. For the ones that we applied our white gel, I'm going to be dapping it in the middle, just the way I'm doing it. Just keep tapping till you get your preferred design. Okay, yes, or you get your preferred what should I call it now, your preferred stage, or how you want it to be. If you want it to be more darker, keep applying it. Okay, it will get more dark, or you can go for a darker shade. Okay, yes, just keep doing it until you get to your satisfaction. Yes, okay, as soon as you're done, you dust off, and then we're going to use the same orange to just tap this side a little bit, just to give it that blend. Okay, yeah, and that is, we're almost done at this stage, guys. We are literally almost done. Yeah, so we're going to be doing the other hand. I'm going to be doing the other hand off camera. Okay, so that this process is not going to be too lengthy. Okay, guys, let me just do this last one. Let me just use this hand for you guys, and then we'll do the other hands off camera, and then we're going to go over to our trading lines. Okay. So this is what is giving. Okay, yes, this is what is giving after doing the other hand off camera. Very beautiful. What do you think, guys? What do you think? So now we're going to be applying our top coat. Yes, because we are using our rhinestone glue, okay, for these 3D lines. And if you ask me, I don't think top coat sits well on rhinestone glue. Okay, yes, so we're going to be sealing our design first with top coat, then we'll apply our rhinestone glue. Okay, but we're not going to be applying top coat again. Hope I'm making sense. So look at how it's giving. Look at what it's giving after applying top coat. So we're going to be using our rhinestone glue and our mini touch to draw our 3D lines. Okay, so look at how I am doing it, guys. Quick confession: This is actually the first time, or should I say second time? Yes, this is actually my second time doing these 3D lines. Guys, I'm not so perfect at it, but I think it actually came out nice. Okay, it's still actually a struggle for me, let me not lie. These 3D lines, I don't know why, but it's kind of a struggle for me, but I'm glad that this particular set came out nice. Okay, yes, I'm so glad that it came out, not too perfect, but it came out very beautiful. So each lines that I'm doing, I'll cure it with our mini torch, our mini lamp. Okay, and then before I go back to the other hand. Okay, so that it's not going to go out of shape. Okay, so always cure before you go over to the other hand. Okay, very important, especially if you're using hard gel. This rhinestone glue it's actually more solid. Hard gel melts down quickly. If you don't cure it down immediately, it's not going to work. And hard gel doesn't even work with this mini touch. You have to use the big lamp to cure with hard gel. If you do watch my videos by now, you should understand what I'm talking about, because I've actually done videos showing you how fast how gel works and how fast rhinestone glue works. Okay, so rhinestone glue works faster. Yes, so this is basically all we did. Okay, we are literally getting close to the end of this video at this point. Yes, so you apply, you cure, you apply, you cure, and it cures very fast. That's why I like it. It cures very fast. Okay, yeah, I see the way I'm doing it. So guys, we are done for the first 3 fingers. Okay, now for the remaining 2 fingers, we're going to be, guys, should I call it, what should I call this design now? I just sharp be drawing straight lines. Guys, that's why I always tell you guys that don't always listen to what I'm saying. Just watch the video and understand. Okay, if you can save the video, I always advise you to save the video. Okay, just in case you want to come back and watch. Okay, because you might want to just watch the video and understand, because if you are going with what I'm saying, I'm only saying rubbish. Like, I don't know how to do voiceovers. I'm still learning. We're already 1 year on this YouTube space, and still, okay, although I'm trying, if you ask me, I'm trying compared to when I started. Okay, voiceover was very, very difficult for me. You should tell. If you do watch my videos, you should tell that now I am trying. So guys, hope you are getting the full details of what I'm doing. Okay, yes, just give it that, look. Each lines that I do, I try to cure it before going over to the second line, so that both lines will not join together. Yep, very beautiful. If you ask me, it's actually very beautiful. That is basically all we did. Then I decided to use apply a little bit of stones. Okay, just to pop the design out, and I think it came out nice. I think it came out beautiful. So this is the stones or the charms that we're going to be using. Okay, so we're using the smallest one. So just to pop the design out. Yeah, and that is basically all we did. Okay, we did not apply top coat after this. I didn't apply top coat after that. That's why I applied top coat before applying these lines, because top coat does not really sit well. If you ask me, it does not really sit well, on rhinestone glue. Yeah, so I did the other hand off camera, and guys, look at what it's giving. Very beautiful. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, please like, okay, subscribe if you've not subscribed. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Chiamaka Vanessa Chiamaka. Okay, I'm the owner of Vandys Beauty World. Please subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook on Vandys Beauty World, and I will pop out. See you in our next video. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video. Okay, see ya. Mwah.